to my channel. Victoria here. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be on my foundation routine. I just filmed my winter skincare routine, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out right here. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys my winter foundation routine. That's still very full coverage. I'll cover up any like acne, scars, or anything like that, but at the same time super hydrating on the skin and won't dry out your skin as well. Okay, so yeah, if you'd like to see that, please stay tuned and keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed already, do subscribe and check out my website below, www.victoriaezk.ca. And yeah, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off with the Too Faced Hangover primer. I really like this because it's super nourishing, very hydrating. It has coconut water in it, so that just really helps to hydrate the skin. I'm going to mix it with the Smashbox hydrating primer, so the blue one. And so just those two together will just give me a very nice soothing, smooth base. Honestly, it's kind of like putting just moisturizer on my skin, and they just feel really nice and soft together. So I just apply this everywhere. I'm gonna go on with my Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer. So this one is a mattifying primer, and this is just basically going to help control the oils on my T-zone. So I'm going to be using some eye cream, and this is just the Bobbi Brown eye cream. Hydrating eye cream. We're going to move on to foundation. For today, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. You guys know this is like my go-to foundation, my favorite foundation, and it's perfect because it works beautifully all year round for me. Winter, summer, spring, autumn, all seasons, this foundation comes through. So yeah, I'm using the shade Chestnut, and this is kind of like my summer color, but works fine in the winter as well. As you can see, like, we're already getting that nice coverage. Alright, so face is fully covered. Now we're gonna spray some Fix Plus because, like I said, we want to make sure the skin is super hydrated. And yeah, so now I'm gonna be going in with my concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys, I love the Born This Way collection because it's super hydrating. Everything is infused with coconut water, so like I said, adds lots of moisture to the skin, but at the same time, all of the products are super full coverage as well. So it's like a nice 2-in-1. So yeah. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this shade is Warm Sand, right? Yeah, Warm Sand is this color. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender to blend all this out. Now I'm gonna use another foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and this has pretty full coverage as well. And I'm gonna use this to contour my face. My Ben Nye powder, like I said, this stuff is heavy duty. If you put too much, it can really dry out your skin, so be careful with this. Use very little. Don't bake too much, especially in the winter time. Instead, just press stuff into your skin. It's winter, like, unless you have extremely oily skin, your makeup, trust me, is not going anywhere because that air is dry. You're not sweating, so Now I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Deep to set the contoured areas of my face. I like this powder because it's baked, so it adds a lot of moisture to the skin and it's not too dry. Guys, so this is the finished look. So I just, after setting my face, I put on some highlighter, blush, and just did the rest of my face, my makeup. And yeah, so this is my winter foundation routine. Like I said, I do actually pretty much wear this all year round or for most of the year because, like I said, the foundation and the concealers and just everything else that incorporates kind of works well all year round, and it just maintains the hydration on my skin. And yeah, so this is just a finished look and I hope you guys like it. And I keep saying ad, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to check out my new website, www.victoriaezike.ca. Link right here and also in the description box. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.